Hello friends, today I am going to show you QHML Internet Multimedia Combo keyboard and mouse, which I bought it from Flipkart recently. You can see this is my bill. I just bought it and now I'm going to open it. Oh, let me find a bike key. Yeah. Okay. Okay, can you hold this, my friend? Here, Agi is assisting me to hold the camera. Actually, it is packed pretty well. It had so many layers of cover. Okay, actually this is the keyboard. I would say the quality is not that much I expected, but it is pretty decent at this price. Now the mouse. Oh guys, the mouse quality is not that good. It is written here model number QHM USB mouse. There are so many functions. These are dead keys. Doesn't work. Home, email, play, pause, stop. Everything is there. So let me plug it and show you guys.